Good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Diana, and please, while we are watching, do not forget to press the subscribe button and the thumb up and the notification button for you to receive videos every time I upload. Okay, as you can see there, today we are going to learn about the days of the week. We have 7 days in the week. So let's start with the first one. Monday or Monday. Tuesday or Chavari. Wednesday or Chadatu. Thursday or Jane. Friday or Chetan. Saturday or Yungur. Sunday or Thunder. Thank you for watching. Please, I hope you enjoyed and you learned. Thank you.